have 124 trillion that's about to change hands over the next 2 decades. This event was just timely because as advisors, we have to think about how we're going to participate and be part of that movement, how we're going to advise our clients.
Especially with this next generation and how they're a little bit different, more digital savvy, more digital native.
Having those tools that allow us to quickly interpret documents to be able to provide the right advice, I think has been a game changer and will continue to evolve.
It's important to bring all the different stakeholders to talk about estate planning because it has so many touch points. It touches tax, it touches finance, it touches insurance from so many different lenses, from the executive to the financial advisor to the nonprofit lens to the traditional state attorney.
We're all trying to do what we can to help clients achieve their financial goals and objectives. And every time I participate in something like this, I learn something.
It's personal, it's computational, it's legal. How could one voice capture all of that?